Welcome everyone. Today we're adding an on-course link to the school faculty page. This is probably going to be the easiest task that you do this year. So just a few friendly reminders. The Tangelo Parish School System provides every teacher with a Meet the Teacher page on the school's website. The Meet the Teacher page must include a few things: your current position, your current contact information, which is your school email address and the school phone number, your link to the teacher's on-course webpage, a biography that includes your teaching experience, certifications. This is optional. It's really not mandated by the district. And of course, a photograph. We always want a face to go along with a name. Just make sure if you use your personal photograph and not the school photograph, that it actually follows the dress code. So let's think about the access that the district has provided you. The district has provided you with two websites. One is OnCourse, which is this one right here, and then your school's personal website. So as a friendly reminder, I included also how you get your user ID and your password in case you've forgotten. The user ID is the first initial in your last name. The password is the first and the last name initial, plus the last four of your employee ID number, and two hashtag symbols behind it. There are no spaces in between either your username or your password. If you have forgotten your employee ID number, please contact HR. Now, if you cannot remember, because I know that you're new, or you may need a little refresher, if you cannot remember this information, what you can do is click here on these tabs. This is the tab for Tangelo Parish School System, and this is the tab that's linked directly to Tangelo Parish School System's on-course program. We're going to click here so that we can look at the school system's page. So when we get to Tangi Schools, I want you to actually click here where it says sign in. Mine is pre-populated. The same password that we just discussed, you're going to use it. So click sign in. Now, you know that you're in because it's going to tell you my passkeys and my options. What I am going to do is scroll down a little bit, and I'm going to click on that same link for OnCourse. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to go ahead and sign in. It's just one thing I need you to get out of this program. Once you're at your dashboard, I want you to click right here where it says website. On the drop-down tab, it's going to say my website. This website gives you a URL that is just for you. So I want you to right-click on it and scroll down to copy the link. And we're going to go back over here. So now what I'm going to do is I am actually going to go find my school. And I am going to click on my school's website. Now I'm going to click on the faculty and staff page. This is in ABC order guides. It's by according to last name. So I'm going to click on my name. And here it says you can edit the page. So I want to edit my page. I have created a link here that says OnCourse website. So I'm going to create the link. I'm going to right click on it. It tells you that you can title it. So the text display for a parent to click on it is going to say OnCourse website. I don't have a title and I didn't create a target, but I'm just going to click OK because I want to make sure this is correct. And when I finish, I'm going to click Save. And it says that I've successfully saved my content. So I'm going to X out and I will exit again. And now I'm going to sign out because I want to view the page in the eyes of a parent. So I will click right here on faculty and staff again, and I will scroll down to Mason. And this is what my page will look like. I have my on-course website, Meet Miss Mason, student information forms, various items that parents may need. This is the parishes, the school district's logo for this school year. We are stronger together. So I have various information here for my parents that's available. Anytime a parent needs to contact me, they can come here. I've included my email address and telephone number. My picture is appropriate. It's just of my face. It's just a little mugshot. And then I have a real simple biography. Nothing extravagant, guys. All right. So it was just that simple. It is not a hard task to do. These simple steps will help you. If you have any other questions or concerns, you can always contact me. Look me up on YouTube. If you click on this link here, it will take you directly to my YouTube site. Thank you. Have a good day.